guys, it's Danica. Welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'm going to be doing a summer makeup tutorial using Cathy Doll products. They sent me all of these makeup and skincare products for me to try, and I'm super excited to share my thoughts about the products, so let's get started. I'm going to prep my skin first before I put on my makeup. So the first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to use this mask. This is the Ready to White 2-in-1 Lightening Milky Mask Sheet. Basically, this one is a two-step mask for a brighter and more flawless look. Step 1 is a milky peeling gel, so it works like a facial scrub, so it helps exfoliate inactive skin cells. Step 2 is a mask sheet, and this gives nutrients to my skin, and it also helps reduce my dark spots, and it also gives me a brighter skin. So this one is the milky peeling gel, and I'm just gonna apply this all over my face. So I've already rinsed off the milky peeling gel. Now it's time for the milky mask sheet. I'm just gonna leave this mask on my face for 15 to 20 minutes. So this is how my face looks like after using the mask. I love how it gives me a very natural glow. The next thing that I'm gonna do is I'm gonna use this Ready to White Milky Tone Up Eye Serum just to brighten and moisturize my under eyes. This one also helps minimize the appearance of my dark circles and also my fine lines. After that, I'm gonna use my Ready to White White Boosting Cream. This just instantly brightens my skin, and it also improves my skin elasticity. I just use one pump for this one because a little goes a long way with this product. Next, I'm gonna use this Cathy Doll Smooth Blur Control Pore Serum. This just helps regulate oil control, and it also shrinks pores. This product also has tea tree extract, which reduces the accumulation of bacteria and also impurities, which are the main cause of acne and clogged pores. I also love how this product keeps my makeup fresh and matte all day. For concealer, I'm gonna use the Skinny Concealer Matte and Bright in the shade Natural Beige. This one is really cool because it's a liquid and pencil concealer in one stick. This concealer gives buildable high coverage, which I like, and it also has a creamy texture, which is very easy to blend. I'm just gonna use this Love Me Tender sponge, also from Cathy Doll, to blend my concealer. For blush, I'm gonna use the Sweet Aqua Tint in the shade Strawberry. I love how natural this looks on my cheeks. So now I'm gonna set my face with the Magic Gluta Pact in the shade Natural Beige. This one just gives my face a smooth finish, and I like it because it has SPF 50 PA+++. For brows, I'm gonna use the Skinny Brow Pencil in the shade Coffee Brown, and I really love this product because it's very easy to work with, especially for drawing hair-like strokes because of its fine tip. This one is also waterproof, so it stays all throughout the day. Now for eyeshadow, I'm gonna use the Nude Me eyeshadow palette in the shade Nude. The shades of this palette is very natural, which is perfect for an everyday look, and I really like this because it doesn't require the use of primer. Now for eyeliner, I'm gonna use the Shocking Black liner, and this one is very easy to use because it's a pen type of liquid eyeliner, and it is also waterproof. I'm just gonna draw a small wing on my eyes. Since I still have some eyelash extensions left, I'm just gonna use this Pretty Volume Mascara on my lower lashes. This one is a waterproof volumizing mascara. For lips, I'm gonna use the Get Sweat Matte Tint and Lip Coat in the shade Skiing Nude. This one is very easy to blend and the lip coat makes the pigment last longer. To finish this makeup look, I'm gonna use this eyeshadow palette as my highlighter, and I'm just gonna take this shade. That is it for this makeup look. If you guys are interested in buying any of the Cathy Doll products that I just tried, I'll leave all the information down below. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching it. If you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you still haven't. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!